Hey friends, about 5 months ago, we stood at the threshold of an unknown adventure, a journey like none other we had embarked on. Little did we know that this path would be laden with highs and lows, untwisted, unexpected twists, and a symphony of lessons waiting to be uncovered. Today, guys, we're going to talk about our 13-week journey of the renovation of our property. So, listen, this journey did have its lessons that we took away, and these are 5 lessons that we're gonna uncover. First, step 1: planning and budgeting. We gotta get that done part because that's a no-brainer. From day one, we realized the importance of creating a detailed plan and sticking to it. Unexpected surprises are inevitable, so we had to, keep on top of our budgeting. The next one, guys, patience. If you don't know, you know. Now, patience is a virtue, and that's an invaluable lesson. Renovation is a marathon. It is not a sprint. If you're gonna take this on, it is not a sprint, okay? There were times when the process seemed never ending, long nights, and of course, impatient wife, tears, and the list goes on. But learning to be patient throughout this journey allowed us to tackle the challenges with a clear mind and deliver quality workmanship. Hey, my husband love quality, him love quality. So yeah. The third lesson was teamwork. So we have to have the teamwork down pack. If the teamwork no good, it not gonna make the dream work, okay? So renovating a property, there are various tasks that we can't do it by ourselves. So we had to do it with a team. So we had our team of carpenters, painters of diverse skills, and we collaborate and work together. And most of the times, most evenings, we would be around there doing little bits and bobs that we can do. The next lesson is flexibility. Flexibility is key, guys. Like, no matter how detailed your plan is, unexpected surprises will come your way. We learn to adapt, improve, and find creative solutions for unforeseen challenges. Being flexible actually allows us to overcome the obstacles that were in our way. The next one is no brainer, celebrating our achievements, guys. Like, come on, look at this. Look, tell me say that not look good. Tell me say that not look good. So we took a trip to Jamaica, land of food and water. Na. So we did enjoy ourselves, guys. We're on our way to Jamaica when after, like, legit, guys, a night before we leave for Jamaica, we were in the house. We were still in the house, for my husband, a perfectionist, him love the thing them down pack. So we know say we'd have to make it thing look good. So we celebrate our success. We went to dance River Falls. We had like coconuts and mangoes on the way. This is one thing I love about Jamaica. I love go pan road and buy things a street side, and the sun just a burn up me. Okay, so celebrating is a no-brainer.
Yes, mate. It's a real jackfruit, fresh from Jamaica. That is it.